Sir, I can't see the screen clearly.
Uh, Sorry. I will send the question to WhatsApp group. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Do you have the past paper book?
Yes, sir.
2016. That's a graph question. I will send the question to WhatsApp group. Okay. Answer, can you see the screen? What pane are they? I send the question to WhatsApp group. Okay. Did you get the answer for the first one? What is the function is 4 minus x multiplied by x minus 2. Then what is the answer for the blank? 4, it's x, and 1 minus 2 equal 4 minus 1 minus 2 equal to 1, minus 1, then minus 1 multiplied by minus 1. What is the answer? Minus 1 equal to plus 1, 5. It's 5. Did you get the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you draw the graph? Or what is the directions to draw the graph? Using the scale of 10 small division as 1 unit along x-axis and along the y-axis, draw the graph above function on a graph paper. Okay. Do you have a graph paper?
Oh, sir.
Then I will show the how we how much squares on your graph paper in horizontal way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Connection problem. Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the maximum of x? Maximum x is 4 and minimum minus 2. Then what is the maximum number of y? It's 5 and it's going to minus 4. Y is, now I am going to draw. Then small 10 small divisions as 1 unit. Okay. Can you see my paper, graph paper?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what is the maximum y? It's equal to maximum y is 5. And 5, 10 units. 10 units equal to 10 small divisions equal to 1 unit. Then 4, 3, 2, 1. Then minimum y is equal to how much? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and it's going to minus 5. Okay. Then what is the x-axis? X-axis going through 0. What is the maximum x? What is the maximum x?
5.
Yes, we can take 1, 2, 3 and 4. It's 5. හරි. මෙතන මට එකක් එහාට යනවා. මේක කමන්නේ අපි ගමු.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, 10 units කියන්නේ එක square එකක් නේද?
10 is it's 5 නේද? You can get the 5. හරි. 10 small divisions කියන්නේ දැන් මේකේ හැටියට නම් ඔයාලට පේනවද දන්නේ නැහැ නේ. මේකක කීයක්ද තියෙන්නේ? 5ක් නේද? නේ. පොඩි ඒවා 5ක් නේ. ඔයාලගේ එකේ තියෙන ලොකු ඒවාද කොටු?
සර් මගේ එකේ පොඩි ඒවා 10ක් තියෙනවා එකක.
ආ ආ ආ. එතකොට ඔයාලගේ ගන්න වෙන්නේ එතකොට පොඩි ඒවා නේද? මගේ එකේ තියෙන්නේ අනිත් විදියට තියෙන්නේ. හරි කොහොම හරි ගන්නකො. ඔයාලට පුළුවන් විදියට. හරි මගේ මේ මං සෙන්ටර් කරගත්තේ නෑ මේ graph එක. ඔයාලා ඒ විදියට ගන්න. මම ඒකේ පොඩ්ඩක් එහාට යනවා. හරි. Then what is the maximum? Then minimum x is minus 2n. Can you get the minus 2? When minus 2 x is minus 2, what is the graph value is? Minus 4. Then minus 1, it's x is minus 1. Then minus 1 and 1, 0, then 4, then 1 is 5, then when 2 is 4, 2 is 4, 3 is 1, then when 3, then 4, minus 4. Did you get the points? All points ටික ගත්තද? Did you get the points?
Yes sir.
Okay. Now can you draw the graph? Equal. Did you get the graph like this? You have to mark the x and y. Okay, did you get the answers? Find the range of value x for which y is decreasing and y is minus 4 to plus 1. Decreasing range. What is that? Y is, I'm find the answer for the third one. Okay. Find the range of the x which y is decreasing and y between minus 4 and plus 1. What is that? Minus 4. Minus 4. Where is the minus 4? Minus 4 and plus 1. Y. Can you get the answer? Sorry, I am showing the question. Okay. What is the answer for the third one? Can you find it's can you find the y-axis? -4 and +1. -4 and +1. ඔය range එක ලියාගත්තද? ඔය range එක ලියාගන්නකො y වල. Can you write down the range of y? සතිෂ් ලියාගත්තා range එක y වල.
ඔව් සර්.
හරි. අපි බලමු මේක graph එකෙන් ගන්නෙ කොහොමද කියලා. Okay. And I am finding the range by the graph. Then y is where? -4. y වල -4 එක කොහෙද තියෙන්නේ? Can you see this? -1 and +1. Okay. Then what is the find the range of value of x which y is decreasing. Then in this point the function is what is increasing. This also increasing and this is decreasing. This is also decreasing. Okay. What is the range? Now we find the range. Okay. Now you have to connect to the graph. The point 1 and -4. Okay. Now you have to get x values for these points. Okay. Draw the parallel lines like this. Can you draw? -4 less than or equal 1 -4. When -4, what is the x value? X value is asking the range. Okay. What is this is not here. What is the range? -4 වෙනකොට කීයද? -4 වෙනකොට x is 4. It's 4. Then y is 1. X is above +3. Now what is the range of x? Find the range of value of x for which y is decreasing and -4 less than y less than or equal 1. Okay. Did you find out? When -4 වෙනකොට x වල value එක කීයද? When this point +4x and 1 වෙනකොට value එක කීයද? It's 3. Okay. Can you find out it? තේරුණාද සතිෂ්?
Yes.
Okay. Then suppose that the given function is written in form. Suppose that given function is written in form like this. I am showing the question. Suppose that given function is written in the form y equal to minus x minus p square plus q. Indicate the point PQ on the graph at M. Okay. What is our graph? Y equal 4 minus x minus 2. 4 minus x plus, we can write like this. Okay. 4 minus x square minus 2x plus minus is plus. Okay. Minus x square plus 2x plus 4. Okay. Then minus x plus 1 square minus 1 plus 4. Minus x plus 1 square equal minus x plus 5. What is our equation? It's when minus 1. Then indicate the suppose P and Q. Okay. We wrote the equation like that. Okay. Write down this equation. Okay. Final answer. What is the final question? X square minus 2x equal 4. To the first decimal place, fine. Okay. Then what is our function is? What is our function is? ෆන්ක්ෂන් එක මොකද්ද? y 4 minus x square plus 2x like this. Okay. Then when y is equal to 0, we can function convert like this. X 4 minus x square plus 2x. Okay. Then if we take the x square term into the left side, what is x square minus 2x equal 4. Okay. Then this is our equation. Okay. This is equation. When y is 0, what is the our values? We have to find by the graph. Okay. When what is the y is 0? Where? Y is 0 here. Then what are the point of x? Can you find by the graph? Satish, පුදුවන්න graph එකෙන් වාට හොයන්න. Okay. What are the points? About minus 1.3. About this point, about 3.3 x equal. Okay. Okay. What are the points when y is 0? Satish, ලකුණු කරගත්තා නේද points ටික? When y is 0? When y is 0, when y is 0, then you can see our equation is we got here. Then y is the 0, our criteria. When y is 0, x is minus 1.3 and first decimal place 1.3 and x equal 3.3. Okay. If you finish, raise hand. Inuri දැන්ද join උනේ?
ඔව් සර්.
කමන්නේ අපි ඊළඟ question එක ඉලක්ක කරමු. හරි මේ 2016 එක. Satish and Seansa, after you finish, raise hand. Okay, do this question. Did you get the answer for the blank? Satish gattada?
ඔව් සර්.
Okay. Y equal x square plus 4x minus 2. Find the value of y when x equal minus 2. What is the y equal minus 2 square plus 4 minus 2 then minus 2. Minus 2 square is plus 4 then minus 8 minus 2 then minus 10 and plus 4. It's minus 6. What is the answer? Did you get minus 6?
Yes sir.
Okay. Did you draw the graph? Under the graph.
නෑ සර් තාම අදිනවා.
Inori, are you drawing the graph?
Yes, sir.
The answer? Andina gaman neda? Now I'm going to draw the graph and what is it's x is going to minus 5 to plus 1. Then minus 4, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, and 2. I mark the sketch to the -5 to +2. Then upper ruler. Then I am going to mark the y. What is the maximum number of y? What is the maximum is? Y වල වැඩිම අගය කීයද? Then it's කීයද එන්නේ? +3 is the maximum value. Okay. Then I am going to mark the y-axis. I'm using it's +3, then +2, 1, and 0. Then it's going to -6. Y-axis going to -6. Can you see my drawing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It's -2, -3, -4. It's going to -5, -6. Like this. Okay. Then we have to mark down the x-axis now. X-axis going through the y equal to 0. What is the maximum value of x? x වල වැඩිම අගය කීයද? It's කීයද? ඔයාලගේ graph එකේ අර table එකකින් බලලා කියන්න බලන්න. It's 1 නේද? I am drawing it to 2. ඔයාලට 1 වලට අඳින්නත් පුළුවන්. Okay. Then -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. Okay. Did you draw your graph axis like this? ඔය වගේ අඳගත්තද?
ඔව් සර්.
හරි. ඔයාලා points ටික plot කරාද? Did you plot the points?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When x -5 වෙනකොට කීයද ආවේ answer? -5 වෙනකොට x -5 y equal to +3 නේද? +3. Then x is -4, y is -2. -3, then -3. Can you see the my graph? Look where it is. When -3, then -2. What is the answer? -2, it's -6. Then -1, it's -5. Then 0, -2. When 1, 3. Okay. Did you plot the points? Points ටික plot කරගත්තද? And after I am going to connect the points. Okay. I am using the pen for the drawing. but you have to draw by the pencil. Okay. Ola pencil enne දන්නේ. Okay. මම මේ අඳින්නේ පේන්නේ නැහනේ නැත්තම් pencil එකකින්. You can rotate your paper for the drawing. Okay. Did you get the graph like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. After you finish the drawing the graph, raise hand. Graph එක ඇඳලා ඉවර නම් raise hand කරනවා. In order to answer after you finish the drawing the graph, raise hand. Okay. Try to answer the third question. Find the interval of values of x for which y is negative and is decreasing. Okay. Y is negative. I am showing the what are the regions of a graph. Okay. මම regions ටික කියලා ඉවර වෙලා ඔයාලට ඒක ලකුණු කරන්න time එක දෙන්න. Okay. Then we start from here. Okay. What is the y value is y මොකද වෙන්නේ? මෙන්න මේ region එකේදී y it's positive or negative. මෙන්න මේ region එකේදී මෙන්න මෙතන මේ ටිකේදී y is what is y is positive or negative? Can you tell me?
Positive.
Yes, y is positive. Then if y is positive, we call in the function is what is function is positive. Function is positive. Then positively what is it's going to positively increasing or decreasing?
Decreasing.
Yes, positively decreasing. Okay. Then region of this to this one, then point -2, -6. It's here. Then in this region, what is the function? Function is negative or positive? In this region, in this
Negative.
point to this point, what is function is negative or positive?
Negative.
Negative. then we call in it negatively, what is? Negatively, you don't mark the arrows, okay? Wala මේ ටික ලියා mark ටික කරනවා නම් pencil එකෙන් mark කරන්න. Negatively decreasing. The function is negatively decreasing. Then in this point to this point, what is? Its y value is positive or negative? Y value is positive or negative? What is?
Negative.
Yes. The y values are negative. Then what is? It's increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
Increasing. Negatively, what is? Increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
Increasing. We select the x region. අපි මේ x වැඩි වෙන පැත්තට තමයි අපි මේ function එකේ we observe the what is the it's positively decreasing or negatively decreasing. We observe the what is the shape of the graph from then minus value, x minus value to positive value. අපි මේ x වල තියෙන value එක අඩු එකේ නම් වැඩි වෙනකොට අපි y මොකද වෙන්නේ කියලා තමයි මේ check කරන්නේ. Okay. Then -5 to +1 our x values are. Then what is this region? In this region, it's start from here. Y values are negative or positive? Y values are
Positive.
positive. Then it increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
Increasing. We call it positively what? Positively increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
Increasing. Can you write down the what are the regions of this graph? පුළුවන් නේද? ඒ ටික ලියන්න. Can you see? Okay. Can you see now? What are the regions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write down it. If you finish the writing the positions of graph, raise hand. We observing the behavior of a graph. It's positively decreasing, negatively decreasing, negatively increasing, positively increasing. We observe the when x is x -5 to +1. It's when x is increasing, we observe the y behavior of y. First, when x is increasing, x increase positively decrease y ඉස්සරෝම, then negatively decrease then negatively increase after positively increase. Satish, can you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sehansa, can you understand it? Okay. අපි මතක තියාගන්න ඕනේ මේ -5 ඉඳන් x වැඩි වෙනකොට ඒක x හැම වෙලෙම increase වෙනවා. හරි? -5 -4 -3 -2 -1 0 1 2. It's increasing. X is increasing. Okay. Then y වෙනස් වෙනවා. Then y positively decrease වෙනවා. Then positively negatively decrease වෙනවා, negatively increase වෙනවා, positively increase වෙනවා. ඔහොම වෙනස් වෙනවා. Okay. හරි. Now we're going to discuss the next question. It's third question. Okay. What is the asking question? Find the interval values of x for which y is negative and what is y negative and decreasing. Can you find? Did you mark up the negatively decreasing region? Region එක ලකුණු කරගත්තා නේද සතීෂ්?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then I am going to mark up the x values. මොකද වෙන්නේ? Then this point and this point. Negatively decreasing area. Okay. Then its x position is here when minus about 4.4 වගේ තියෙන්නේ. Minus 4.42 x what is -2. Okay. Then මොකද වෙන්නේ? Its region මොකද වෙන්නේ? -4 less than or equal x less than or equal -2. In this area, what is? It's negatively decrease වෙනවා නේද? Satish, can you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. -4.4 to -2. I finished the writing it. Okay. Get the answer for the fourth one. What is the answer for fourth one? Can you get the what is our function? Function is y equal x square plus 4x minus 2. Okay, can you factorize it? Can you factorize? What is first one? If we factorize, we can get the half of this. What is half of this? Equal to x plus 2 square. Then we subtract the last number. It's minus 2. Okay. And minus 2. Minus 2 is here. Then අපි ආයෙ ඔන්න මම මේක extract කරලා පෙන්නන්නම්. X square plus 4x. What is 4x plus 4 plus 4. Then there is a minus 4. What is minus 4 plus 4? It's minus 2. We can get the above quadratic equation. හරි කලින් quadratic equation එකම ගන්න පුළුවන්. සතිෂ් දැක්කද ඒක?
ඔව් සර්.
හරි. අපි එතකොට ආයෙ factorize කරනවා අර කලින් තිබ්බ විදිහටම x plus 2 square මේක ඔයාලා තරු ලකුණක් දාලා star mark එකක් දාලා ලියා ගන්න. x plus 2 square minus 4 minus 6. We can add in the both. It's minus 6. Okay. Then what is? Then can you see the your graph? Graph එකේ මොකද තියෙන්නේ? Graph. Can you see the graph of your? Then what is the minimum value of y? Minimum value of y. Okay. Then y equal to x plus 2 square minus 6. Then y equal x plus 2 x plus a square minus b. We form to the x plus a square minus b. Okay. We finished the fourth question. We form to the x plus a square minus b form. Okay. සතිෂ් එක තේරුණාද? අපි මේ ෆෝම් එකට හදාගත්තා කියලා අපේ ෆන්ක්ෂන් එක.
ඔව් සර්.
හරි. Fifth one. Can you get the fifth one? Find the positive root of the x square plus 4x minus 2 equals 0. I finished writing this screen. Satish, you are the answer.
Finish sir.
Okay. Sehasa, I finish. Okay. Then I'm going to next one. Next question. What is the find the positive root of fifth one? Find the positive root of x square plus 4x minus 2 equals 0. What is our function? Y equal to x square plus 4x minus 2. Then y is 0. We can get the equation x square plus 4x minus 2 equals 0. Can you find the y when y is 0? Y is 0. When y is 0, this is the y. Y-axis here. You can mark the x and y. Y is 0. Y is 0. What are the values of function? It's here minus 4.4. Then what is this? It's plus 1.4. Okay. What is the question asking? Find the positive root of the equation. What is the positive root? Okay. The roots are roots are 1 minus 4.4 and x is equal to plus 1.4. What is the positive one is? Positive one is here. This is not the, it's a negative. Then x equal plus 1.4. Okay. Satish එක තේරුණාද? හරි. Then asking and thereby find the approximate value for root 6. Can you find it? How we find it? How we find it? What is our form of x plus 2 square? Y equal x plus 2 square minus 6. අපි කලින් form එක ගත්තනේ fourth question එකේ. By using this, can you get the answer for the square root? Then we know when x is equal to 0. Sorry, y is equal to 0. Make a 0 වෙනව නේද? Then 0 x plus 2 square minus 6. අපි fourth one again ගත්තේ. Then if we take the minus 6 to the left side, 6 equal to x plus 2 square. ඕක තේරුණාද? ඔතෙන් දෙනක සතිෂ්?
ඔව් සර්.
හරි. දැන් බලන්න දෙපැත්තෙම square root එක ගන්න. In both sides we can took the square root. What is? We can square and square root remove. What is? Root 6 equal to x plus 2. What is the x plus 2 කියනවා නේද? Root. Then what is the positive root? We took the positive root here. What is x plus 2? Square root 6 equal to plus 1.4 plus 2. What is the answer? What is the answer now? 3.4. Okay. Sorry. Yes. It's the answer. Sorry. 1.4 නෙමෙයි 0.4. Okay. It's 0.4. Its answer is 2.4. හරි. මම අතන 1.4 කියලා දාලා තියෙන්නේ මේ graph එකේ එන්නේ 0.4. Okay. It's 2.4 is the answer. මම graph එක පෙන්නන්නම්. මගේ graph එක. This is our 0.4. Okay. Did you get this? It's 0.4. Okay. Not the 1.4, 0.4. Oh, වැරදුනාට කීවේ නෑනේ. Satish? It's 0.4 නේද?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's 0.4. Okay, what is the answer for the root 6? What is the answer for the root 6 now? We got the 2.4. හරි 2.4 කියලා අපි එනවද කියලා බලමු. හරි 2.4 කියලා නෑ ඒක ලියා ගන්න ඔයාලා. සතිෂ් මේ ටික ලියාගත්තද සයන්සා?
ලියාගත්තා සර්.
හරි බලමු අපි අපේ හරි බලන්න මේ ඔයාලට පේනවද root 6 වල value එක? Can you see the root 6 value is?
Yes, sir.
What is the value is?
2.4494897428.
Yes, it's then you can see the our graph is correct for 1 decimal point නේද? decimal point එකකට අපේ graph එක හරි. ඒ හින්දා තමයි මේ value එක අපිට ආවේ. Okay. හරි. නැත්නම් අපිට මේකේ දශම ගාණක් වෙනස් වෙනවා. Okay. සෙහන්සා ඒක හරියද තේරුණාද? නේ මේ ඔයාලා ගාව කලින් graph එක තියෙනව නේද? Do you have the previous graph? මට මේ region එක කියන්න බලන්න when x going to the -2 to +4. What is this region? What is y is negative or positive?
Negative.
Yes, y is negative. Then y is increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
Yes, increasing. It's what is negatively? It's negatively increasing. අපි මේ negatively කියන්නේ y. What is the behavior of y? Okay. negatively increasing. Okay. Then can you tell me what is this region?
Positively increasing.
Yes, positively increasing. Increasing. Okay. In this region, this point to this point.
Positively decreasing.
Yes, positively decreasing. Positively decreasing. Then what is this region?
Negatively decreasing.
Yes, negatively decreasing. Okay. Uh, can you write down it? Okay. පේනව නේද?
Also,
2016. We done the 2017. After you finish, raise hand. You are ready. Okay. Now we go into the 2018 question. Okay. 2018 question එකට යන්නේ. That's the heart. Can you get the answers? Satish, can you try?
okay, sir.
in y is a quadratic function of x, an incomplete table containing the values of y corresponding to several values of x is given below. Okay. Then, do you have any function here? Function එකක් දීලා තියෙනවද? Function එක දැන් මේ ගාන නිකන් වැරදි වගේනේ function එකක් දීලා නැහැ. හරි? What is that? How we get in the value for the blank? First one asking by considering the symmetry of the quadratic function, obtain the value of y when x equal 4. ඔයාලා දන්නව නේද? Okay, symmetric ඒ කියන්නේ සමමිතියක් තියෙනව නේද? Symmetric line. Then how we get the value for when x equal 4? මොකද්ද value එක එහෙනම් එන්නේ? Symmetric එකකින්. What is the value? When -6, x is -6, when x here. Can you get the answers for? ඔන්න බලන්න මෙතන value එකට මෙතන value එකක් තියෙනවා. Then what is the symmetric? What is the when x is 4? What is the value y value? Satish, කියදාවි. ඔය symmetric again. හරියටම තියෙනවනේ නේද? Symmetric එකක්. එහෙනම් මොකක්ද දෙන්නේ value එක? දෙපැත්තේ හරියටම දෙපැත්ත සමාන වෙන්න එපායි. එහෙනම් value එක කීයද? It's
1.
1. දැන් ඔයාලට අඳින්න බැයිද graph එක? Can you draw the graph? Using standard system of axis suitable scale. Draw the graph of quadratic function. You can draw the using 10 division for 1 unit. After you finish the drawing graph, raise hand. අපි ඒක ඉවර වෙලා ඊට පස්සේ යමු ඉතුරු ගණන් ටිකට. ඔයාලා graph එක ඇඳලා ඉවර නම් raise hand කරන්න. සතීෂ් graph එක ඇඳලාද?
නෑ සර්.
Okay. බලමු. Then I'm going to mark the our x-axis on top of the paper. මම paper එකේ top එකේ ලියාගෙන බලනවා මගේ scale එකට ගැලපෙනවද කියලා. හරි. It's -1, -1 and it's -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. මගේ scale එකට ගැලපෙනවා. Okay. I can center the graph if I adjust the scale, but I'm not adjusting the scale. I'm using this is the y axis here. Okay. ඔයාලට ලස්සන graph එක ගන්න ඕන නම් මේක scale එක එහාට මෙහාට adjust කරලා center එකට ගන්න පුළුවන්. Okay. This is the y. What is the y maximum value of y? What is? වැඩිම අගේ කීයද y වලට තියෙන? What is value? අඩුම y. It's 6 නේද? 6. Then 5, 4, 3, 2, like this. Okay. You can write 1, 0, -1, -2, and -3, -4. Then what is our x-axis? It's -1, 1, 2, 3, and it's until 4 and 5. 4, 5. Okay, it's x. When -6, what is the value for x? X -1 වෙනකොට කීයද y value එක? Is it 6? Then x is 0. What is the y value? What is that? When x is 0, what is that? Y is
1.
1. Then x is 1, y is
-2.
-2. When x is 2, y is x2 minus x. When x is 2 -3, then x3, it's -2. Then x is 4,
1.
1. Then x is 5,
6.
6. Okay. I mark the points. My points ටික mark කරගත්තා. Now I can draw the graph. Okay. Okay. And I'm marking it. Okay. Did you draw the graph like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we're going to, what are the questions in our 2018 question? We will describe the behavior of y as the value of x increase from 0 to 2. When x 0 ඉඳන් 2 වෙනකන් increase වෙනකොට, when x is increasing 0 to 2. Okay. behavior of y. Behavior of y as value x increasing from 0 to 2. Okay, 0 to 2. Okay, I'm going to the graph now. X, when x 0 to 2. 0 to 2. When x is 0, what is the y value? Y value? It's 1. In this session, what is the? It's y is what is? Y is what? Positively. මෙන්න මෙතනයි අතර x තියෙනකොට මොකද වෙන්නේ? Positively. Satish. Positively increasing or decreasing?
Decreasing.
Yes. Y is then positive නෙමෙයි positively decreasing. Decreasing. When we cross the x axis, what is the behavior of y? It's positive or negative? Y positive or negative? මේ ඒරියා එකේදී y එක positive ද negative ද?
Negative.
Negative. Negatively increasing or decreasing?
Decreasing.
Yes. Negatively decreasing. හරි. Negatively decreasing. අපි බලමු ඊට පස්සේ question එකට කොහොමද අපි answer එක දෙන්නේ කියලා. Okay. Then we going to the question. Did you mark the what is the region of the graph? Region එක ලකුණු කරගත්ත graph එකේ. Positively decreasing and negatively decreasing. Satish, හරිද?
හරි sir.
Then question asking, using the standard describe the behavior of y as the value of x increasing from 0 to 2. Okay, describe කරන්න කියලා තියෙන්නේ. අපි විස්තර කරන්න ඕනේ එහෙනම්. Okay, how we describe? Now I am again going to the graph. 0 to what is the value of x? About 0.3, like 0.3. The graph is what is? Positively 0 to 0.3. What is? Positively what is? මෙන්න මේ ඒරියා එකේ මොකද වෙන්නේ? Positively decreasing නේද? Is it? Satish, හරි නේද?
ඔව් sir.
හරි. Then 0.3 පයින් කොටම. එතකොට 0.3 then before the 2. What is the graph is? Can you tell me? 0.3 to 2. මොකද වෙන්නේ? මෙන්න මෙතන පැන්න ගමන් නම් negatively increase වෙනවා. මෙතන ඉඳන් මෙතන මොකද වෙන්නේ? The graph is Satish. මොකද වෙන්නේ සතිෂ්? 0.3 නම් සයන්ස මොකද වෙන්නේ? The graph is negatively. Satish, can you hear me? Negatively
decreasing.
decreasing. හරි. දැන් අපි describe කරේ නැද්ද? Can you describe like this? පුළුවන් නේද? සතිෂ් ඒක තේරුණාද? Okay, Sehansa, can you understand it? හරි නේද? If you finish, raise hand. මම ඔය කීව එතකොට third question එකට. Okay. මම describe කරා. Okay. If you finish, raise hand. එතෙන් යනකම් ඉවරයි නේ. Sehansa, after you finish, raise hand. Sehansa ඉවරද?
Yes.
අපි බලමු දැන් now I am again going to the question. What is the fourth one is express the quadratic function is in form y. Fourth one, y equal x minus a square plus b. Okay. How we express it? ඔය විදිහට express කරන්න නම් I am now again going to the graph. Then when x equal to y x minus 2 minus a square plus b. When y, sorry, x is 2. When a is 2. Right? X minus 2 square plus what is the value for b? What is? It's minus 3. Minus 3. Okay. It's b is minus 3. What is our function is? What is the function now? X minus 2 square minus 3. Okay. Write down our function is සතිෂ් එක තේරුණාද?
ඔව් සර්.
හරි. දැන් බලන්නකො මේකේ if we substitute x වලට දෙක දැම්මොත් මොකද වෙන්නේ? මෙන්න මේ term එක x minus 2 කියන එක. What is that? When x substitute x by 2 x වෙනුවට දෙක දැම්මොත් my plus 2 minus 2. What is the answer? It's 0 නේද? සතිෂ් පේනවද? මේ x වෙනුවට අපි 2 දානවා. එතකොට මෙතන මේ මුළු ටර්ම් එකම 0 වෙනවා. 2 minus 2. It's the term is 0. Then what is the y equal වෙනවා minus 3 වලට. හරි? y equal වෙනවා minus 3 වලට. Can you see? Then substitute the x value to this. Then y is equal to minus 3. හරි? minus 3 වෙනවා. එතකොට අපිට එකෙන් prove කරන්න පුළුවන් our equation is y equal to x minus 2 square minus 3. Okay. Can you get it? Satish, හරි නේද? හරි. If you finish, raise hand. Then after you finish, raise hand. Okay. What is the fifth question is? Y equal t is a straight line. It's a straight line parallel to x-axis. X-axis සමාන්තර. X parallel to x-axis. What is the interval in which t should lie for this straight line and the graph of quadratic function to intersect at 2 points? Okay. Intersect at 2 points with positive x coordinate. ඕක හරියටම කියව ගන්න ප්‍රශ්නේ. Can you read the clearly the question, fifth question? You have to draw a straight line parallel to x. Okay. You have to draw the straight line parallel to x. Parallel වෙන්නත් ඕනේ කියනවා. Then the function and the straight line should be intersect at 2 points. ඔය parallel අඳින line එක graph එකව අපි intersect. කියන්නේ cross කරන්න ඕනේ points දෙකකදී. ඒ වගේම the x coordinate should be positive. ඒ point එකකදී x coordinate එක positive වෙන්නත් ඕනේ. Okay. සතිෂ් මේ ප්‍රශ්නේ තේරුණාද? Can you understand? මට කියන්න තේරුණාද කියලා ප්‍රශ්නේ. සතිෂ් මොකද ප්‍රශ්නේ තේරුණාද ඒක? Fifth question එක. මොකක් වගේද නිකන් තේරුණ විදිහට කියන්න බලන්න.
සර් තේරුන්නේ නැහැ.
හරි. අපි බලමු ඈ. මේකනේ දැන් තියෙන්නේ y equal t is a straight line parallel to x axis. හරි. ඔන්න මං parallelව x axis එකට parallelව අඳින්න පුළුවන් lines ගැන මං කතා කරනවා. හරි. දැන් මේකේ x axis එකට parallelව අඳින්න පුළුවන් කිව්ව ගමන් මෙන්න මේ මම මෙතනින් draw කරොත් මෙහෙම හරහට what is you can draw any line ඔන්නෝම උඩට ඕන තරම් you can draw unlimited lines. Okay, තේරෙනවද? මෙහෙම මං ඇන්දොත් parallel to ඕන තරම් අඳින්න පුළුවන් නේද? කොහොම මට පල්ලෙහාට කරගෙන. සතිච් එක තේරෙනවද?
ඔව් සර්.
හරි. එතකොට මට කියනවා මේ line එක should be intersect at 2 points. intersect වෙනවලු 2 points වලදී. මෙන්න මේ වගේ points දෙකකදී. හරි. ඔය points දෙකකදී intersect වෙනවා වගේම මං මෙහෙම આવොත් මෙන්න මෙතෙන්ට આવොත් මොකද වෙන්නේ? මේක හරහා යන්නොත් ඒක intersect වෙනවද point දෙකකදී? at the -3 not නේද? it's not intersecting. හරි. ඊට පස්සේ දැන් තව කියනවා මොකද්ද? the x coordinate should be මොකද්ද? x coordinate on මං again I am going to the question. What is question? X equal to t is a straight line parallel to x-axis. What is the interval in which t should be like this straight line and graph quadratic function intersect at 2 points with positive x coordinate. And positive x coordinate එකදී මොකද වෙන්නේ බලමු. හරි. positive x coordinate. x coordinate එක positive වෙන්නේ ඔන්න. මං ආයාව graph එකට. මෙන්න මෙතනින් මෙහාට ගියොත් මොකද වෙන්නේ? x coordinate එක positive ද negative ද? x coordinate මේ තියෙන්නේ x axis එක. සතිෂ් positive ද negative ද? මෙතනින් පැන්න ගම x negative නේද? මෙන්න මේ අතරේදී මොකද වෙන්නේ? මෙන්න මේ point එක අතරේදී it's positive නේද? okay. then මෙන්න මේ අතරේදී මොකද වෙන්නේ? the x coordinate මොකද වෙන්නේ? positive නේද? x positive and මෙන්න මේ හරියටි මොකද වෙන්නේ? මෙතන ඉඳන් මෙතෙන්ට x මොකද වෙන්නේ? x coordinate is positive. okay. හරි. ඊට පස්සේ බලන්න මෙතන ඉඳන් මෙතෙන්ට x is positive. හරි. okay. then අපිට එහෙනම් මෙන්න මෙතනින් පල්ලෙහාට නේද අඳින්න පුළුවන්. මෙන්න මේ ටිකෙන් දැන් මෙතන අඳින්න පුළුවන් මෙහෙම. මෙන්න මේ හරියෙන් ඇන්දොත් මොකද වෙන්නේ? x coordinate එක මේකෙදි මොකද වෙන්නේ? මෙතනදී මෙන්න මේ point එක ගත්තොත් x coordinate එක negative. හරි. ඊට පස්සේ දැන් මේ යනකොට මෙතන x coordinate එක මොකද වෙන්නේ? x coordinate එකක් නම් මේකේ negative අනික positive. ඊට පස්සේ මෙතන මෙන්න මේ ටික ගත්තොත් can you take this? If we take this, the both points coordinate are x coordinate are positive. Okay. Alright. Then I will take this, the x coordinate is where? X coordinate එක මෙන්න මෙතන මොකද වෙන්නේ බලන්න. It's positive. This is also positive. Okay. Can you take this? එහෙනම් we cannot use here. මේ මෙතනින් උඩට අපිට use කරන්න බෑ. හරි. This is the our maximum point. Okay. Then we can use the this region. Okay. 0 to 4. Okay. Write down the මෙන්න මේ හරියට ඔයාලට ඕන use කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඔන්න ඔහොම ඕන තරම් use කරන්න පුළුවන්. Y is between y equal t නේ. Y is between +1 to -3. හරි. ඔය region එකේ විතරයි අපිට y use කරන්න පුළුවන්. සතිස් තේරුණාද ඒක?
ඔව් සර්.
හරි. Fifth question එක. If you finish, raise hand. After you finish, raise hand. Say answer, I finish. Say answer ඉවර ඇති නේද? Okay. I am giving homework for the 2019. Okay. Okay. Can you do the 2019 question as a homework? Satish, පුළුවන් වේද?
Okay, sir.
Okay. සතිෂ් ඔයාලට December 22 vacation එක හම්බ වෙනවද?
Oh, sir.
හරි. සෙහන්ස do you got the vacation December 22 සෙහන්ස? Okay. මම එතකොට තව වැඩිපුර ක්ලාස් ටිකක් කරන්නම්. මම මේ මාසේ තව අර අපිට තියෙනවා මේ algebraic කොටස් ටික. ඊට පස්සේ මම පාස් මේ papers තමයි කරන්නේ. Okay. සතිෂ්?
हाँ सर.
හරි. එහෙනම් මම අදට ක්ලාස් එක නතර කරනවා. good night එහෙනම්. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay.